welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new Remix Reel option which Instagram have introduced. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. Now, Instagram allows you to remix a reel in two different ways. So let me show you how to do this. Before we begin, first update your Instagram to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store and updating it there. Once update has complete, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Here, tap on search and tap on any reels you see on this page. Now browse through all your reels and select the reels you want to remix to. Once you have selected the reels, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, then tap on Remix Reel. Here you'll get two options to remix the reels. The first option is the default option where you can remix the reel by having it beside the original video. However, on the screen on the right, Instagram have introduced a new option where you can now remix it after the original video. So let's look at both options. The first one is your beside option. As you can see, the original video will be on the left and your recorded video will be on the right. If you want to give a reaction video, then I would say this format is good for it. Now let's look at the second option where your original video will appear first and then your video will appear. On this option, it will show you a preview of the reel. Here you have the option to zoom in or out. You can do this by pinching in or pinching out. Next, down below you have a timeline. Here you can trim the beginning or the end of the video. Once you have set the original video, tap on next at the top right. Now record your video. Once you recorded, go ahead and preview the whole video. This format is great as if you want to create a video which continues from the original video, you can use this option. And that is a new update from Instagram where you can remix reels in two ways. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.